Welcome back, guys. Another episode of N.R.T. So today we'll be doing some rust repair on this 1977 Honda Odyssey fl250. I drilled this hole to ground it here, but now because I got it all apart, I'm gonna put the ground back here. I'm gonna fill in this hole too. And then this mount was cracked on. I welded it a long time ago. Not that great, so I took my burr from my friends over at Benchmark Abrasives and put it on the die grinder. I cleaned that up pretty good. I'm gonna have to do some welding there, and then I'm gonna be using some Blue Demon products today. Our friends over at Blue Demon sent us some products. Here are their gloves. We'll be using these today to do some welding. And then I got the 035 flex core wire in the Lincoln 140 right now. Go ahead and open the unit up. There it is right there. Very nice. It's been welding actually pretty nice compared to the other flex cores I've used. Lincoln just wants way too much for their wire, to be honest. And I've been looking for an alternative, and I got a whole bunch of PGN. Besides, this is all gas wire right here. Look at all this. Dang it. Look at all that. And there's other Lincoln. Okay, let's get the welding. Gonna be using my 3350 series Lincoln helmet on a dark. Very nice helmet. Welder set the 16 gauge will be welding day. It's set to be 2. That's what Lincoln recommends for this wire and metal. So we'll get the welding. Put the gloves on. Get the lead. Cut the end off. I would always recommend to cut the tip off when you start the weld, because it can get in the way. Okay, here we go. Not bad. Not terrible. I've seen worse. Need the flap disc over here. Gonna have to unplug the welder because my dang I don't have another extension cord in here right now. That's the thing I like about the 3350 series, any darkening is you can use it as a grinding helmet too. Or sanding helmet. Some guy or girl, didn't know the gender, but they commented on a video and said that's a sanding disc. I'm like, grinder, same damn thing. So we gotta be technically correct and called sanding. Okay, well, it's auto darkening. Just driving me up the wall. I do have some power helmets like this one right here. The lens is taken out of it, so I'll just use. Just use this one as a grinding hood. Okay, I'm going to if I find my dang safety glasses. It's my safety glasses. Too much crap. Don't know where it's all at. I'll just use this helmet again then. Gonna bevel that some. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and weld that again some. Bring my ball pen over there so I get the weld line nice and hot still. Okay, that's better. Alright. There'll be a link in the description to the gloves and to the wire. Go check out Blue Demon. And give me a like. And that's going to be it. I got to do some more grinding here and all that to get this one ready. And I might have to pull the motor to get, because the mounts are gone. So to get it looking right, the other one's worse. So I don't know how I'm going to get to that without pulling the motor. So, or maybe just exhaust. But N.R.T. will figure it out and he'll get the job done. Because if you ain't doing the job right, don't do it at all. Catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for stopping by.